In this video I'm going to show you how to add a thank you message in Google Forms. So as you can see, I've created a Google form, and for the next step to add a thank you message to the Google form, we will go to settings. So go to settings, then select the option presentation, and once you will scroll down, then you will find the confirmation message. Now add some text to the confirmation message like thank you for participating, and then click on save. Now as you can see, we have successfully added a thank you message to the form. What we can do, we can preview it in the preview mode. Now after we have answered all the questions, then we can click on submit, and once you have clicked on submit, then the thank you message will appear in your screen. So hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!